Hey, what's up everybody? It's Dave from MediaByDave.com. I took the Pilot Institute class for the Part 107 this year. I graduated with a 90%. I got this t-shirt. Pretty much, I didn't know what I was gonna get into when I was initially looking for different drone classes. There's a variety all across the internet. I was on Reddit, YouTube, and all of the comments that I was reading online said that Greg was a great instructor, very educational, and you'll learn the ins and outs at your own pace. So I really had all the time in the world to kind of take this. I wanted to take it day by day and actually learn the material. It was definitely very educational. It was explained very well and thoroughly. Greg made it a lot of fun watching because he knows the material well. He's in the field working every day. I've been able to put together a ton of great videos for my clients. I shoot videos now professionally with my drone for real estate and music videos and all different types of things. This has been a huge tool, having the Part 107 in my arsenal, just to be able to go out and fly as I please, and to know that I have the proper education. I never feel like when I'm out there I don't know what I'm doing. I took all the proper steps by taking the training course, and I would highly recommend to anybody who is looking to take a drone course at their own pace and just kind of see how it all works. Airspace is very important, and especially right now with everything that's going on with the government, the regulations on these, I think it's very important that you know what's going on and you know where to fly, when to fly, and how to fly. And Pilot Institute made it easy for me, and they'll make it easy for you. Take care. Peace.